Has anyone ever shared this secret with you? This short piece of coaxial cable, with its inner conductor and outer shielding, can actually be turned into a simple homemade antenna. Let me show you how I do it. This is an F-type coaxial connector. It's used to securely connect coaxial cables to devices like TVs, modems, or antennas, ensuring a stable signal without interference. At the same time, don't forget to use electrical tape to cover any exposed connections to prevent accidental contact. The type of wire I use for connections has a single layer of insulation on the outside, and its core is made of many fine copper strands tightly twisted together. This design makes the wire flexible, durable, and excellent at carrying current without breaking or overheating easily. The red wire I'm connecting represents the positive line, so it's linked to the copper conductor in the cable. This is because the copper core carries the main electrical current, making it ideal for the positive connection. The blue wire represents the negative line, and it's connected to the aluminum shielding of the coaxial cable, which acts as a return path for current and helps prevent interference. If left as they are, these two wires seem a bit too long. I'll trim them down and solder the ends to prepare for connecting them to another important component. This broken phone charger will serve as the body of the antenna device. I'm going to pry open its casing to check what's inside and see how it's built. As for the circuit board inside this charger, we'll remove it. With these old, broken chargers, there's not much to hope for anyway. Now, I'm going to connect the remaining ends of the two wires to the two terminals of the charger. Here, I have another coaxial cable. I'm going to use its inner copper core to create the signal receiving part of the device, because the copper conductor efficiently carries electrical signals with minimal loss, making it ideal for capturing weak signals. To shape the twisted structure for the signal receiving part, I'm going to use a pen to bend it into a spring-like coil. The twisting and coiling increase the length of the conductor in a compact space, which improves its ability to capture electromagnetic signals. This spiral shape also helps reduce interference and allows the wire to resonate better at certain frequencies, making the antenna more efficient at picking up weak signals. If you happen to have an extra short piece of coaxial cable, you can make another one just like this. Adding a second coil can improve the signal reception and make the antenna even more effective. This small rectangular piece of wood looks very sturdy, so I'm going to use it as the base for the antenna device. Its solid structure will keep the antenna stable, prevent it from tipping over, and provide a reliable platform for mounting the wires and coils securely. This is an F2F connector, commonly used to link two female F-type coaxial cable ends together. It's very convenient because it allows you to extend the length of the cable or connect components without cutting or splicing the cables. And to firmly secure the charger to the wooden base, I'm going to use hot glue. It provides a strong hold and sets quickly, keeping the charger stable during assembly and use. Next, I prepared a longer piece of coaxial cable. I'm going to prepare both ends of this cable to connect the antenna device to the TV. Coaxial cable is ideal for this because its central copper conductor carries the signal efficiently, while surrounding shielding protects against interference, ensuring a strong and stable connection over longer distances. For the coaxial cable end that I'm preparing to connect to the TV, besides attaching a female F connector, I'm also going to add a 90-degree F connector. This angle connector makes it easier to position the cable neatly behind the TV and reduces strain on the cable and connectors. Alright, the homemade antenna device is now complete. So now, I'm going to take it out and give it a try. And there you have it. From a few simple, forgotten parts to a fully working homemade antenna. Sometimes, the things we overlook turn out to be surprisingly useful when you give them a second life. If you enjoy building things with your own hands, don't be afraid to experiment a little. You never know what you might discover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.